Welcome to a new video on zero-shot extraction using DocAcquire for the Arabic users. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how to extract information from documents without any prior training. This feature allows you to instantly extract key details, making document processing more efficient and faster. So let's dive in. The first step is to create a custom document type. This allows us to define the structure of the data that we want to extract. Once the document type is created, we need to enable zero-shot extraction. When you press on the document type, you will be guided to the main tab. Here, under the training section, ensure that Need to Train Documents is unchecked. This ensures that DocAcquire extracts data without requiring predefined training templates. Next, we define the fields we want to extract. The field name should be clear and specific to help AI understand what data to capture. For example, if you want an invoice number, name the field invoice number. This ensures that AI correctly identifies this entity. Additionally, you can add a field such as sender's name, who the invoice is sent to, Furthermore, you can provide instructions for more advanced extractions. For example, if you need the total net of the document, name the field total net and add an instruction such as what is total net. But that's not all. DocAcquire allows us to use logic-based instructions as well. Let's create another field called isTotalValid and add an instruction such as if the sum of the line items and charges add up, return yes, otherwise no. This instruction tells the AI to validate the total amount by checking whether the sum of the line items match and the total charges are in the document. With the extraction field set up, we can now upload the documents. We will upload a batch of 4 to 5 invoices, each with a different layout. Unlike other traditional methods, no training templates are required. Once the document is uploaded, DocAcquire processes it using zero-shot extraction. Now that processing is complete, let's review the extracted data. Let's go through each document and tab through the extracted fields to ensure accuracy. As you can see, DocAcquire has successfully identified and extracted the relevant details even across different layouts. Look at the isTotalValid field. Notice how DocAcquire has verified whether the sum of line item matches the total charged and returned yes or no accordingly. Finally, look at total net field. The AI has provided concise total net value on the document based on our instructions. That is how easy it is to use zero-shot extraction with DocAcquire. This feature makes document processing smarter, faster, and more efficient. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.